She would cry once I start recording. It's Halloween time already. It's October. My camera was already growing a spider web because I haven't used it in so long. So I did this look 2 years ago. 2 years. Fire. But my hair's a little red. So I'm like, let me just do a red version of that makeup look. But we're gonna DIY this. We're gonna do this look with just makeup. So, but I can't see without my glasses. We're gonna start with moisturizer because that literally saves the skin every time. Oh. Hair a little red, makeup gonna be a little red, eyes gonna be a little red. Oh my god. So I'm gonna trust myself and just go with foundation. I'm a little boring. Sometimes I don't know what to say. Oh, I should have splatted my eyebrows, huh? I'm gonna splat my eyebrows. We're gonna use this combat gel to splat my eyebrows. Bitch be like with the little clips. I never wear clips, only for videos because of the aesthetic. Okay, I'm letting this shit dry. Oh, should I literally look like I'm in middle school again? People used to bully me for my eyebrows because I don't have none. Not have the best eyebrows. Once this dries though, no going back. I noticed that I don't really make eye contact with you guys like I should. I feel like, do you get disengaged when I don't? Because what kind of skeleton has nose piercing? Keep like, hopefully my baby doesn't start crying. Cause mama, we need to get a little YouTube bag at least this month. Who can I love when they tell me I can't love myself? I don't know why. I feel guilty right now that my baby's in the cuna. Like, what if she don't like me after this? I'm gonna take off my chain because I'm not trying to ruin this, and I'm trying to do the makeup all the way to my neck. I hate having a big face because, dude, why am I literally like, love can strength it all? You're lying. Oh my god, guys, you're lying. My hair got tangled up with my... Should I just cut it off? Dude, no. Who can I love when they tell me? I'm gonna like snap it. Guys. What the fuck? I was like, no wonder every time I go like this, it'll hurt. Like, I'll be like, damn, it feels like something's tugging, but I wouldn't feel what? What the fuck? Guess what happened to me? No, actually, put why did half of my hair just come off? I literally have to put a song in every story that I post because it just feels right. Like, I just feel like it just adds a vibe to it. Let's do... Okay, enough of that. Oh my god, I look ethereal. I feel like that's how people, when they do like a look that has no eyebrows, I feel like that's how they look. Like a fairy, kind of. That's my alter ego when I'm faded. A fairy. Guys, everything that has been going on Earth is actually fucking crazy. Like, I'm actually scared and actually be praying for a hurricane or fucking earthquake. I'm just like, bro, we gotta all pray together and hope Jesus saves us. I kind of want to add a little bit of concealer in my foundation because this concealer is just way too thick, but nothing wrong with that, okay? Like, let's just get that clear. Dude, I forgot how good Brent Fayez is. I've never tasted him. I'm talking about his muse. I literally have been obsessed right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. This is a concealer, Kimchi, the most concealer in the shade Ivory. I know y'all came here for the tutorial, but like, if we didn't just talk about bullshit, what kind of video is this? Can you say mama? Not the Chief Keef shirt. Like, we're also gonna use this elf, the blue one. This one's like the matte one. Hola, mommy. Hi, pan. Guys, I actually really love makeup. I wish I could have like furthered my options with makeup. It's never too late for none. But I low-key be selling myself short. I feel like I'm very creative. Oh my god, I never would have thought these words would have been coming out of my mouth. Like, I always be hating on myself. Mommy! We're also gonna be using La Reina Cosmetics. Dude, I literally only use these palettes probably like 1, 2, 3 times. I know makeup be expiring, but like I used to wear my mom's makeup. I would just be open like once and left there for like 30 years. So my skin is just so prepared to take on every fucking expired like makeup because I never break out when I use it. So hey, hey, I do want to do like a sparkly maybe like, but I'm like no, I kind of want to just keep it flat, keep it simple, very smooth. So that's. Or you want to be over here with me? I might just bring my baby. Don't mind my poopy baby. Say hola. Yeah, she's a mom now. Last time you guys saw me, she was in my belly. Why does she smell like poop? Makes sense, mama. You probably pooped. I'm using the Puff Puff Pass kimchi powder. Puff Puff Pass. Not in front of the kids, please. Oh, this feels like very tight. I know. I'm your mom. I'm your mom. You want to see? Hold on, mommy. You're actually mad. She wants Chi-Chi, guys. Okay. Just relax, because I'm here. I'm right next to you. Stop kicking stuff with your little feet, please. You heard what I said or no? You heard what I said or no? Okay, so I'm planning to do like a red paint with the red eyeshadow and some concealer. Hopefully that works. Guys, I'm just DIYing. The urge to put on my glasses because I can't see. I'm gonna scratch some of La Sangre. I don't know if they still have these in stock. I got these like I would say like 2 years ago. I'm using La Sangre eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer, and this is pink, so I hope that it doesn't turn it pink, but it might. Okay guys, I was already starting. Kind of got it as red as I could, but I'm gonna go over it with some eyeshadow. So we're gonna make it super red. We're gonna do a little. Guys, you can't overthink this too much. Like, you gotta just trust yourself. I'm gonna try to do it a little faster on this side. My man's just telling me to go out, but like, what the fuck I look like going out like this? I'm gonna do like a half circle type thing. Oh, this feels like paint. Like, I don't know, because of the concealer. Hi, fun. The urge to just make it like really fucking perfect, but like we have 30 minutes till my baby starts getting annoyed. How to do the other side, damn. I messed up.
Estoy cansado, jefe.
So I filled it in. It looks cool on camera. Okay, I feel like I did good. Now I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna shower right after this. La Sangre. And I'm gonna set everything in. This better work. Yeah. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. Oh my god. Look. Don't be scared of me. Yeah, this looks so cool. I'm gonna attempt to do a neck with just eyeshadow. I think that's the best I could do for a throat. I'm taking the kimchi concealer, doing my garganta. It looks alright. Huh, look. We're gonna paint some eyelashes red because I don't have any red lashes, but I wanna wear lashes. So first we're gonna put them with that concealer that we made earlier, the red. And now I'm gonna do red. That's the best they're gonna get. Okay. Okay. I think it looks even now. Oh my god, I forgot the nose. How can I forget the nose? So I'm gonna just do one right there. A little. Oh. I just gave the skull a lineup. No, because my daughter is literally gonna eat up the fucking school costumes. You're gonna win, mommy. Okay, I'm gonna glue on these eyelashes because my baby's already crying. Hold on, baby. The red is not coming off my fingers, so I hope it comes off of my freaking skin. Okay. Okay, but does it look cool or no? I don't know how to style like my hair. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. I look like a ratchet little skeleton. No, because I should have put the brightness down on the whole video, so y'all won't see where I fucked up. But it's okay. Halloween is at night, so who's gonna tell me something about it? Okay, no, but I really like this look. This is exactly how I did the black look. This is cute. Go ahead, try it. I never seen a skeleton with eyebrows or meat on their bones, so I just needed some space, so I will read. Okay, let me know what other look I should do. Hopefully you guys see it in time and I don't edit it until like fucking November. But yeah, let me know what other look I should do. I'll take my time next time. Hey, look at her. Your papirron here? You're trying to take it out. Straight hiding. You're trying to pin. Come here like that, like that. Take a picture like that. Take a picture like that. Please. Take it like. It's okay. Everything is okay. I'm just mom. Where is Stumpkin? Where is Stumpkin? Here I am. I ain't run away. The side one?
Yeah, I like that one.
Look at this one, my double chin. Is that a skull or a pepper? Hey! Aww.